First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer music from PC to phone, run the software. Connect your Android phone to your PC via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android phone to make sure the connection is established. Once connected, all the data on your Android phone will be displayed as categories in the interface. Click Music, then click Import to choose the music files you want to transfer from your PC to your Android phone. The chosen music files will be transferred from your PC to your phone directly.